Tonight, as you look up at the vast, silent expanse of the night sky, you might feel a profound sense of awe. That sense of awe is a uniquely human experience. But the real answer to what you are actually seeing is far stranger than you could possibly imagine. What if every star, every galaxy, and even your own sense of reality is nothing more than an incredibly sophisticated illusion? This isn't just a philosophical puzzle dreamt up in a modern context. It's a question that strikes at the core of human perception and our ancient need to understand existence. For 99% of human history, our ancestors gazed at the same sky and interpreted it through the lens of myth and meaning. Did they grasp the true scale, the profound silence, the terrifying emptiness? The simulation hypothesis posits that our reality is an artificial construct, a meticulously crafted digital environment indistinguishable from true reality. It's a compelling, albeit unsettling idea that has moved from the realm of science fiction directly into serious scientific discourse. Why would anyone propose such a counterintuitive twist? Consider the sheer mathematical improbability of our universe. From the fine-tuning of cosmological constants to the precise parameters that allow life to exist, the universe seems almost engineered for us. Is this merely cosmic coincidence or evidence of a grand design? A pivotal argument comes from Oxford philosopher Nick Bostrom's influential 2003 paper, which introduced the simulation argument. Bostrom suggests that if advanced civilizations are technologically capable of creating highly realistic simulations and are likely to do so, then, statistically, we are far more likely to be inhabitants of one such simulation than the original base reality. It's a chilling calculation that reframes your entire existence. Think about the rhythm of your script, the narrative arc you follow, the constant desire for pattern and meaning. Are these instincts programmed responses? The ancient drive to map the heavens mirrors our modern obsession with virtual worlds. From primitive star charts etched into bone to the complex mathematical models of today, humanity has relentlessly sought to decode the cosmos. But what if we are simply decoding lines of code? The brain is a master storyteller, constantly filtering vast amounts of sensory data to construct a coherent narrative you perceive as reality. This cognitive architecture, refined over millions of years of evolution, prioritizes pattern recognition for survival. Could this deep-seated need for structure be exploited by an overarching algorithm? Consider the modern mirror, your interaction with virtual reality, high-fidelity gaming, and the rapid acceleration of technology. We are rapidly approaching the technological singularity, a point where our own simulations could become indistinguishable from our perceived reality. This paradox creates a profound counterintuitive twist. The very act of creating highly advanced simulations might confirm our own status as simulated beings. The ancestral mirror effect suggests that just as our ancestors projected narratives onto the stars, we project our current technological capabilities onto the cosmos, revealing a hidden truth about something you do every day. You never noticed that your modern attempts to create virtual worlds merely echo the possibility of the world you inhabit. The philosophical implications are vast. If reality is a construct, does meaning still exist? Does your personal journey, your consciousness, your profound sense of awe beneath the night sky still hold weight? The search for answers itself remains a deeply human endeavor, regardless of the substrate. You might feel a profound sense of awe when you look up at the vast, silent expanse of the night sky tonight. But now you must consider, is that awe the universe reflecting its grandeur, or merely the elegance of the code?